12 years ago, I never expected that our love story would last forever. When we graduated high school, I thought that was the end of our story. Pero mali pala.
Somewhere in Tennessee, you're falling fast asleep, and I just crossed a state line. If only when I arrived.
Time passed by. We graduated college, nagkatrabaho, dumaan ang pandemic at mas nakilala pa kita. Sobrang mabuting anak. I'm always thankful to God that He gave me you. Sobrang swerte ko na hindi niya na ako pinahirapan na mahanap ka.
Gabriel, hindi asawa ko na. Alam mo na ang pagpapamilya, talaga itong panghabang buhay. Ang gusto ko lang mangyari sa inyo, maging maayos kayo habang buhay, magsama kayo.
Whenever I'm away, even on my best day, you.
Hindi ko na-imagine na may isang tao na babago ng buhay ko ng ganito. Sobrang swerte ko lalo sa sarap mo magluto. Dahil dyan, mas lalo akong nai-inlove sa'yo.
You're further with every mile.
Thank you for loving me, for taking care of me, for giving me the best, for being by my side through my highest highs and my lowest low.
I don't feel much like me. I don't feel much like me without you.
Dahil sa'yo nalaman ko kung ano ba talaga ang kahulugan ng tunay na pag-ibig. You are my everything, no matter what life brings. I know I'll always choose you. Today, and for all the days of my life, I am yours. I love you, my wife.
When the road gets long and my tired.
Yung pag-ibig na yon, yung agape love, is a love that is everlasting. Yung tumatagal, panghabang buhay, ang pag-ibig na ipagkaloob ng Diyos sa inyo ay napakalaki, napakalawak, at itong mga bagay na ito ay lalakbayin pa din.
I don't feel much like me. I don't feel much like me without you.
Thank you sa lahat, sa pagpapalaki. Dito lang ako palagi.
Beatrix, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Gab na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Gab, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Beatrix na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Ang misyon ng mag-asawa, unang-una ay mamuhay kayo bilang mutual partners. Pag sinasabing magkatuwang sa lahat ng bagay yan.
You've been my best friend, my ride or die, and my greatest source of strength. Pinapangako ko na hindi ako mapapagod sa lahat ng bagay. Gagawing posible ang imposible at higit sa lahat, ang mahalin ka ng panghabang buhay.
Keep on running, keep on running. Keep on running, keep on running. Bitterness will break you, eat your heart alive. But the can teach you to let love be the guide. You got a song
I love you more than anything in this world.
and a
You
fire
are my soulmate, my partner, my best friend. And I will love you today, tomorrow, and forever.